Hello, my name is Yoon and today I am excuse me. I am sick, you guys. I'm not feeling well at all. I have a stuffy nose, I have a sore throat, and my head is hurting. So it is the flu season right now. And so today in this video, I want to show you what I usually do when I have a stuffy nose, a sore throat, or like even coughing a little bit, what I would do. So first is I usually drink 2 packs of this. It's a vitamin C. You could also purchase airborne if you are an airborne lovers. Just happened at home, I have this emergency. Vitamin C is very good to boost your immune system. So you mix this with water and you drink it, at least twice a day, or at least that's what I do. So the second one is a home remedy that basically my parents would prepare for me growing up when I had a stuffy nose or a sore throat, a cough, that's lingering around. So they would go to the market and purchase Asian pears. It looks just like a golden delicious apple, but perhaps the color is a lot more cream. See, it has the core just like an apple, but this is really a pear. They call it Asian pear. I have seen this at Safeway markets here in California. This particular one, I got them from Ranch 99 from Asian grocery store. So what I do is I peel it. Look at how this is skin, and this one is the one that's already peeled. So the inside, it looks just like an apple. I cork it, I remove the seeds, and I have this stainless steel container that I would use to steam this pear. So come follow me. So here I put it inside the steamer. I'm gonna cover it and just let it steam. So it's been a few minutes since we steamed the pear, so let's check it out to see if they're done. Yeah, they look good. They look done. Alright, so this is the pear that we just finished steaming. As you can see, the color kind of changed. It was more white and now it's somewhat more like translucent. And what you're gonna do after that is you just eat it. Be careful, it's still warm, it's still hot, so don't burn your tongue. So when you steam it, I think it reduces the amount of sugar in the pear. So it became not as sweet, like if you compare it when you eat it fresh, and now you're eating it after it's steamed. So the flavor is gonna change a little bit. This one still has a little bit of crunch because I didn't steam it for too long, but what it does is it really soothes the throat. I don't even know if you can notice my voice kind of change because I feel like it opens up my throat, more after I eat this. And it's probably that's why my parents make this for me growing up. Very good. And this is very healthy because it's just as if you're eating fruits, right? Some people would actually steam it with rock sugar, but I think it's probably because, like I said, it changes the flavor of the pear a little bit. It's less sweet. So perhaps like the sugar, the rock sugar is gonna like make it sweeter. So like, if you give it to little kids, they probably like it because it's sugar. But I don't usually add extra sugar and it still works fine. So I would eat this like every day, like 1 pear a day or something, you know, and along with drinking, you know, 2 doses of the emergency, the vitamin C supplements. And, you know, usually I will recover and I'll feel better. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to give it a thumbs up if you like it. And please comment below. Tell me about, you know, do you have homemade remedy, you know, to clear your sinus, to help with your sore throat, you know, or your cough. And if you do try this recipe, please also let me know how do you like it. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.